that it's soon. See, I never thought that I'd have to leave.
Sasabihin mo, hindi, happy birthday. Uy, ano yan? Bakit? Ano meron? Sagot naman kayo.
Batiin mo si Ann.
Di ba batiin ka ba? Oy, Ann. Sinong Ann ba?
Yung girlfriend ni Joshua.
Yung girlfriend nga pala ni Joshua. Happy birthday.
Sa akin malayo na.
Malay mo, yung tropa ni Ann, may love sa'yo, diba?
Oy! Hello! Happy birthday nga pala sa shota ni Erla. Bumati ka na.
Sino may birthday?
Shota ni Earl, si Ann.
Kailan ba?
Hindi ko nga rin alam eh.
Kailan nga ba?
Birthday mo, Ann? Sakto ba November 1? Joke lang. Happy birthday. God bless. Sana ang tagal kayo ni Earl. Ni Kampe.
Ang lokohin sir lang. Nakita mo to? Pati to? Happy birthday nga ba?
Birthday pala.
Hi, Ann. Happy birthday. May gift si Joshua sa'yo. Ito.
Hello?
Happy birthday. Happy 19th birthday. Sana marami pang year ako bumati sa'yo. I love you.
Hi,
Bye.
Ann! Happy birthday!
Hi.
Stay sweet and simple. Huwag kang mag-alala, mahal ka din, Joshua. Dito lang ako kapag kailangan nyo ng advisor. Love you! Mwah!
Add me to...
Happy birthday and stay pretty.
Hi, girl, you just caught my eye. Thought I should give it a try and get your name and your number. Go grab some lunch and eat some cucumbers. Why did I say that? I don't know why. But you're smiling and it's something I like on your face. Yeah, it suits you. Girl, we connect like we have Bluetooth. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the other one so we'd equal two? And this is all based on a lucky chance that you would rather add than subtract.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, ooh, yeah. When the day is said and done, in the middle of the night and you're fast asleep, my love, stay awake looking at your beauty, telling myself I'm the luckiest man alive. 'Cause so many times I was certain you was gonna walk out of my life.
Looking in your eyes, I see a paradise. This world that I found is too good to be true.
Uy! Hello! Happy birthday nga pala. Tapos, happy first month sa'yo na din. Sana nagustuhan mo yung ginawa ko. Yun. Sana maging okay sa'yo. Yun. Love you.